Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Fiat 500 Popstar. This car comes with a 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 65 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of just 8, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a two-owner vehicle having covered just over 24,000 miles. This particular colour is the Bossa Nova White, and is also in good condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. These seats are really comfortable. You've got the 500 logo there in the centre. Onto the dashboard, you've got your FM radio there in the centre with air conditioning below, and this car also has electric front windows, and then on the driver's door card, your electric mirror switch. This particular car also had cruise control fitted at the factory, so that's a factory option, so ideal if you're using the car for motorway journeys. As we open the tailgate on the Fiat 500, you've got a quite good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the chrome door handles and also the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.